So, see, now I can walk. I can have y'all out there. And I'm not bouncing you up and down, and you're not looking at me so close that you see warts and bumps and lumps and bruises and weird things because you're too close to me. I can also kind of choke up on this a little. Well, actually, all I gotta do is this. If I don't want you to be way out there, that's a little better too. What I'm doing is going down here to get some metal. I'm gonna make some. I'm gonna make some. I have to use it for shorthand. I kind of like that too. I'm gonna make some braces, some shelf braces, and I've got this metal right here to consider, and I'm actually sort of looking for some corners. So I may take this piece. I could get some corners. I could get some corners here. See, I could, if I cut this here, and this here, and this here, and then kept this piece down here, that would give me 2 shelf brackets, and that would give me 2 shelf brackets. I could take this piece off, and this piece off, and that piece, and that piece. That would give me 4 shelf brackets. And then the part that I cut off up here, I could also use for some more shelf brackets. So I'm just going to take this whole piece. I'll turn y'all back around. And I'll just throw this over my shoulder, I guess. If I hadn't let that preacher have my truck, I'd have drove it down here and throw this in the back of the truck. I get for being a nice guy, I guess. I was thinking last night about going up to Maine and bringing either the Jeep or my Dodge truck. I'm kind of leaning heavily toward bringing the old Dodge truck down here because it was originally a Georgia vehicle. It don't have an awful lot of miles on it, and the climate up there, I'm pretty sure isn't doing it a lot of good. It was my dad's truck too. If I brought it down here, it wouldn't be as likely to rust further. One of the nice things about having a truck, if I had it, would be that I could toss this up on the tailgate and weld on it. As it is, I don't have a tailgate to weld on. Another thing I could do, this is a thought I've thought about, is I could make me up some little sawhorses out of the metal I got. I've got some over there. Got a little bit of metal in that corner. I could also stand a couple of ladders side by side, stretch a board across them, make me up a kind of a homemade sawhorse out of that. Let me figure out where I can sit this camera. Will y'all sit right there? The other thing I was going to do is find a little screw-on thing for this. I could put that on a tripod, but let me just one thing at a time. What I may do is just let it stand right here, cut it here and here, take these 2 things off. This piece will hold it together until I cut this part. And go ahead and measure out how long I want my shelf part to be. And I can snip it off that way. I'm going to need I'm going to want a better cutting blade. And I think I'm going to want to put y'all on the Polish tripod over there. So I'm going to go grab a couple of more little camera fittings and I'll be right back.